Hi there, wig lover! This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of one of my favorite Estetica bobs, and they've got some really nice ones. This one is new, and she's called Lynda, and I know a lot of people are going to pronounce it Linda, but I've been to France and it's spelled like the French spell it, so I'm going to call it Lynda, because that's how they would pronounce it. Call me pretentious, but whatevs. So this particular wig I like because it is graduated in the back, lightly stacked, but not anything dramatic. And then it does have a longer front than it does back. And then it has a little bit of layering here at the very front to help frame the face a little bit and help you look a little skinnier, which is always a plus. The color on this is one that I get asked to review all the time, so this will be the second wig that I've reviewed in this color. And this is R30/2826. And that is an R, all Estetica colors begin with an R, it's kind of an arbitrary thing. The 30 is a medium natural auburn, the 28 is a light kind of gingery auburn color, and then the 26 is kind of like a butterscotch blonde color. It's got a little bit of gold and a little bit of red. So all three of those colors are in here in equal measure, and they're very pretty together, as you can see here. They're very complementary and make this overall a very pretty dark strawberry blonde color. Very, very, very pretty. So let's talk about Lynda a little bit. This wig has open cap construction, so it's very, very breathable, has a very generous lace front, which I'll show you in a second, and it has very, very light permatease, just to help obscure the hairline a little bit. So technically you can part this in any direction you want. You could even have a bang cut into it if you like. This front part where the bang is very long. It's 8.5 inches. So it's definitely meant to be swept off to the side, but it'd be very easy to have a stylist cut a bang into it for you. Here is the side. I think that this line here hits right at the perfect length, at least on me, and it really helps define that. And then here is the back. Sorry, my phone is going off in the background. But very, very pretty back here. Very smooth, very sleek. And then let me show you this side. Again, that line is very, very pretty here, with it being slightly longer here. That's just very, very slenderizing. This is a very professional haircut, and it comes in a bunch of different colors, and very, very cool. The lace front on this is very nice, and I can move that around for you a little bit. Very convincing lace front. Of course, my bio hair is very dark, but you get very good coverage here. And the cap on this is insanely stretchy, just like on the Kira I showed in this color earlier. I could fit my whole hand in there. So definitely very, very comfortable on, and could accommodate a wide range of head sizes, which is always a plus in a wig. This one is very ready to wear, but I would definitely recommend bringing a wide tooth comb with you if you wear this to work or if you wear it out on the town, just so that you can really lightly graze your hair periodically, just to keep it from tangling. But at this length, it should be very, very manageable. Here is what the top looks like. And if you remember my review of Kira, you know, that one's completely hand-tied, but with these kind of colors, they pull off the permatease very, very well. So it does blend pretty well. You know, if you're really worried about something like that, but you're still interested in this particular style, you could always invest in a rooted shade, or one that's slightly darker than this, and that should conceal that permatease pretty well. I'm going to go ahead and take this off so I can show you what the cap looks like. So as I said, it's rose lace right here on an open cap that stretches pretty well. And right here at the top where all that rose lace is, that's where that permatease lives. Very generous lace front. Lace front goes all the way up to past where this band ends. So very nice there. And it isn't a completely rounded lace front. It does have a little hint of a widow's peak there, which is nice. It's not costumey widow's peak, it's just gives it a little bit of a contour so it doesn't look fake. And so the back doesn't have felt on it. Neither do the ear tabs, so that's just something to keep in mind if you have a sensitive scalp. And let me show you the color up close. Smooth that out just a smidge. I mean, it's really easy to just kind of run that comb through it. Very, very pretty color. Very warm, but without being too warm. Just very nice. Here is the top. The only place where the permatease I could think of would be problematic at all is at the very, very, very crown. And even that's kind of debatable. It just depends on how picky you are. I'm not terribly picky on a personal level about permatease and wigs. I just assume that that's part of the territory. And since everyone I come in contact with basically knows from the onset that I, wear wigs because I own a store, it's not a problematic thing for me. And I know that a lot of you are also equally comfortable with permatease, but for those of you who are new to wig wear, or for those of you who don't like permatease and already have established that, you may want to look at Kira instead, because she's monofilament in a very similar style. She's not quite as graduated, so you don't get that same, but I mean, it's still a very pretty bob and comes in this color. Very similar length in the front too. So I'm going to go ahead and pop this back on so you can see just how easy that is. Very, very stretchy in the back too. Lots of coverage. Goes right into place. And so I'll show you the back again. See, fits very nicely, just with a little bit of hand smoothing. And that really pretty line right at the jawline. So this is Lynda by Estetica Designs, and the color on this one again has been R30 2826, which looks like a dark strawberry blonde when everything's all blended together. So thanks for watching and have a great night. Bye-bye.